Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. On this Color Combos with Crystal Tuesday, I have another card. This is my third card using this beautiful stamp set, and today's color combination is a set of greens and gray, and I have gone ahead and done a bit of Copic coloring, and we're doing a background for this awesome flower set, and I have another 3 videos using this stamp set in different color combinations with different backgrounds and techniques, so hop on over to the YouTube channel to see more. But for this video we're going to use the words of hope along with the awesome beautiful florals that we got going on. And like I said, I've done some basic Copic coloring. I'm going to zoom in here and done little dots of that Copic. And we're going to be doing some beautiful backgrounds using distress oxides and shabby shutters and that peeled paint. So 2 shades of green. I have Nina cardstock. These are 5 1/4 by 4 1/2. And then the inner part that's going to be matted is, I want to say it's about 4 inches by 5 1/4. So we took 1/4 of an inch off on those cards. And we are going to begin by stamping, that's right, stamping with Distress Oxide and that peeled paint. And the beautiful sentiment, your hope will not be lost. And this is from that awesome stamp set that I just showed you earlier. Then this one has a set of leaves. So I'm going to use the shabby shutters to stamp the leaves. And this is really where I'm going to place my florals. And that way I know this is where I don't want to do any ink blending. You could totally be brave and place your stencil over the images you just stamped. I'm not going to be brave. I'm going to put it at the end and not go any further. I'm going to begin with that shabby shutters at the end. And if you have some pixie spray or something to hold down your stencil, I highly encourage that. I don't, so I'm having to hold it down with my hand, which is okay. And then I'm going to alternate in colors using the peeled paint. So I'm going to bring that green that's a little bit darker and bring my ink blender and fill up some of those spots where I have the white. And I'm not doing a ton of blending, really just adding that color. So you kind of have spots of both the peeled paint and the shabby shutters. And I'm going to remove the stencil, and that's what I'm saying. You don't have a ton of blending. You have more spots of different color. And we stop right at the edge of those leaves and the sentiment. I'm going to bring in my ruler adhesive. I'm going to add adhesive down to the card base and placing the piece of cardstock that we just did some ink blending for, and we're going to place it right on the center. And this is really going to clean up both the edges and the whole card, and I'm really enjoying the way this turns out. So I'm going to press down and get that nice and flat. I even considered doing a bit of using foam adhesive, but I thought, you know what, those flowers from the Smile Your Love stamp set are absolutely dashing already. Going to grab some white paint. This is Altenew white paint. It's the acrylic, and I'm just going to splatter it over. If you don't have white paint, you can create some, grabbing some acrylics, such as that tulip stuff that we use to paint furniture, and then adding a little bit of water and creating that, or using white watercolor. It all turns out the same. Then I have the flowers from the Smile You Are Loved, and guys, this stamp set is on sale for this week, so go grab it on the Unity Stamp Company store. And of course it has some beautiful sets for the sentiments included in that kit, so if you wanted to just use one stamp set or one stamp kit, it would be easy to do. I'm going to bring in some pearly white Nuvo drops. I'm going to add different little sizes of the drops here to add a little bit of glitz to it. And then I grabbed my Nuvo clear and added some clear into the independent flower petals. I'm struggling on that one. And the whole thing comes together really clean. And I'm not fast forwarding this just so you would see how pretty and how easy it is to add a little pearlescent Nuvo drops. And you can also get Nuvo drops on the Unity Stamp Company, so it's a one-stop shop, and it makes it really nice to be creating multiple cards using the Smile Your Love stamp set. I'm going to zoom it in just a little bit, and like I said, I used a little bit of clear Nuvo drops so you can see it. It makes it super shiny, and I didn't add it to all the petals, just some individuals to give it a little bit of shine. And the sentiment stamped with the Distress Oxides, and the whole thing just comes together very nicely with a very simple color combination. And guys, that does it for me. Thank you so much for joining me today on this color combinations with crystal. All details are on the blog at the Unity Stamp Company website. Products will be listed down below. And if you are new to my YouTube channel or to the Unity Stamp YouTube channel, please don't forget to like the video, comment down below, share, and please subscribe to get notifications on new videos. And guys, let me know your thoughts down below on this color combination using the Smile You Are Loved. Thanks so much. Have an amazing day.